Chris here once again. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So as you guys can see from the title, we're going to be doing a pack with me. Woo! We're going on a trip. Going on. I don't know the words. Moms. How my mom, and I don't know the words. Like, where they do that. But we about to be outside. Oh my gosh, you guys don't understand. It's been a couple of months since I've flown. When was the last time we flew? Back in February? Yeah, it's been a hot minute. So I'm super excited because, you know, packing's a little different when you have to fly. So I just wanted to show you guys what I am bringing, how I'm packing for me and the kids. So it's gonna be me and the kids. Unfortunately, the big guy cannot come because he has to work and everything. But it's all good because, you know, we'll just have to, you know, make sure we save his comp time and all of that so we can go on a big trip later on this year. Woo, fingers crossed. So I'm super excited about that. But anyway, so yeah, it's just gonna be me and the kids and Selena. It's gonna be Selena's first time flying and traveling. Oh, my little girl is going places already. Like, she just got into the world and she's already traveling. So I just want to make this really quick and show you guys what I'm packing. And also this will help me to make sure that I don't forget anything because I gotta leave in like an hour or so. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop right into it, shall we? All right, so here, as you guys can see, I have our suitcases over here and everything. So let's go ahead and hop into what I am bringing for Selena. So I am bringing her bag. Oh my gosh, the big guy actually found this for her. Went to PetSmart in McAllen. Y'all, that is like the biggest PetSmart I've ever seen in my life. And he found this for her and I was like, oh my gosh, this is too cute. Oh my gosh. So this is her bag. If I find it online, I'll link it down below. But I just love it because it's so feminine, it's so girly for her. When we went to McAllen and we had her in it, people could see through it and they're like, oh my God, let me see her, let me see her. So you can easily see her on there. And then I love it because it has this side piece here where you can put all her stuff and everything. So I have her harness because we've been working with her to, you know, go for a walk, but she loves being held, so it's a work in progress. But I brought it just so that way we can continue to work on that. Since we're flying, I want to make things as less stressful as possible. These are the bowls where she eats her food and she drinks her water. So the big guy, of course, he labeled them for her so we can remember everything. So have those. And then as you guys can see inside, it's really, really soft. So this is going to be her carry-on, but also her bed where she's going to sleep in because I don't want to take her cage or anything just because my grandpa's house is kind of small. So I'm going to, you know, I don't want to crowd up his house. So this is her bed. This is her little donut bed that she loves and her stuffed animal that she is obsessed with. So at night, she would just sleep right in here. And like I said, we're able to see her and, you know, of course she can move around because, you know, it opens and everything. And then I got her doggy. I love this thing. It looks like a little fire hydrant. That is little Selena stuff right there. So as you guys can see, I have two suitcases here. So this one is just extra because we're going to be probably doing some shopping, buying some toys and everything. So the big guy came up with a good idea for me to just take both big suitcases. So these are suitcases by Samsonite. I found them at TJ Maxx on sale. Y'all know Samsonite is not cheap, but I found these on sale for $60. So I have our shoes in here. So I have, you know, a pair of sandals for Tristan, a pair of tennis shoes, and then he has on his pair of shoes. So he'll have 3 pair of shoes. I have a pair of tennis shoes. Ooh, a pair of tennis shoes for Maddie. Have a pair of sandals for Maddie. And then she's gonna have her other pair. And then I have a pair of heels for Mommy because we're going for my sister's graduation. So of course I wanna look nice. So I have some sandals for me, and then I have just some regular comfortable heels for me as well. Plus, I don't like taking a lot because I know I'm gonna be shopping. So, you know, the less I take, the more I can bring back. All right, so, and then Maddie has her slippers. She calls these her bougie slippers because they're so cute. And then I have my slippers here that I'm gonna wear inside the house. That's because I want to be comfortable. So I have our shoes here. And then I'm going to be wearing tennis shoes to the airport just so that way my feet are comfortable and they don't hurt. So those are our shoes here. And I also am bringing my little gimbal. I got this off of Amazon because I will be vlogging our trip. So make sure you are subscribed so that way you don't miss a vlog. And then, so yeah, I bought this off of Amazon. Tristan, watch out, boy. So I got this off of Amazon, and this is just to make the videos, you know, more stabilized. I hate when I edit my vlogs and it's like just shaking and stuff because, you know, I just don't have really good balance, I guess. So I want to make sure like y'all get some good travel vlogs and they're stabilized and everything. So what are you doing? So yeah, I'm gonna bring this. Zip that up. Oh, you need to go pack your book bag, okay?
My book bag?
Yeah, that's your book bag that you're taking.
My book bag to child.
So I'm gonna put her cups in here, like I said, just so that way. Or I'm gonna put them in here because I know how not TSA, I know how these airlines can be. They
What
just
do they know?
throw your stuff because they don't care, and I don't want her bowls to break. So I'm just put them in here, and then zip it up. So just in case I need anything else, like I said, I have plenty of space and room here. So this here is our clothes, our undergarments, our toiletries, and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna go through and show you guys. So I love these cubes that I found on Amazon. I'll leave them linked down below in case you're interested. I just love these because I love the color. Of course, you guys know I love pink. And I just love, you know, just the different designs. The mesh here, and then this one here, as you guys can see, has a different design on it. So let's go through and see what we have here. Big one right here is for mommy. These are my clothes here. So I have some jeans, I have comfortable shirts, I have some comfortable dresses here. I think that's enough clothes because like I said, I want to bring some back because I know I'm going to go shopping. So let me go ahead and calm down before I bring too much. And this is what I'm going to be wearing to the airport tomorrow. So I'm going to leave that at the top so that way that's the first thing I grab as soon as I open my suitcase. All right, so now here we have Maddie and Tristan's clothes. So I put their stuff together because obviously they're not big kids and you know their little bodies are so tiny, so I'm able to put their outfits in here. So I have their shorts because since it's gonna be summertime up there, tank tops, comfortable shirts, outfits for, you know, nice occasions. And then I have Maddie's shirts, dresses, leggings here. So those are good to go. I have a hat for Tristan here and have a hat here for Maddie. So let me go ahead and put those in there as well. Right, see, I'm glad I'm doing this because now I'm making sure that I have everything. So this is my undergarments and stuff here. So I have socks, my brizos, my strapless bra in. Make sure I don't forget that. So this time I was smart. I didn't pack pajamas for every night because I noticed that when I do that, I have way too many pajamas. So I'll try to, I think I have 4 here. So I'll just wear like 2 nights in a row, the other 2 nights in a row, because that way I can save on pajamas. All right, so I have my underwear, make sure I have enough underwear, I have my turban, socks, okay. Undergarments, good to go. Okay, so I have their underwear, Maddie's underwear, socks, pajamas, same thing. Like I said, I don't want to pack too many pajamas because that would just be way too much. So that's good to go. And then here I have our toiletries in here. So I have a toothbrush, I have their toothbrushes, I have my body oil, my Palmer's oil, because I love it. I have some spray for the kids. Y'all, I have been looking for these for over a year now. You guys know when the shutdown happened, like all the cleaning and disinfecting stuff went away. And even this, I love taking these just to spray and clean the area. So I stocked up on a lot of these, okay? I was like, look, there's no limit. Let me go ahead and take what I can. So I got some, yes. I know you guys can see up close. So I love these so much. Then I got my deodorant. Can't forget deodorant. Got some body wash, mouthwash. Got my Aleve because I told y'all that my neck hurts sometimes when I sleep, especially when I sleep wrong. So have to bring this on board because gotta have that. Oh, and then I also have my cream on my face. I love using this on my skin when I travel because it is like it's such a good cream. I love this. And like I said, everything will be linked down below. I always take an extra pair of contacts just because you never know when it might dry out or, you know, might be a hassle. So I always take an extra pair of contacts with me. So I have our vitamins here because we take our vitamins every day. So I got our Juice Plus, which is really good. My cousin-in-law, she is a distributor, so this is stuff that she sends us. I mean, we pay for it. We get it from her, and this stuff's really good as far as like getting the nutrition and everything that you need. So I'll leave it linked down below. I might ask her for a code in case you guys are interested. And then I have some vitamin C because you got to keep that immune system boosted. Then I got my vitamins here, and then I have my Flonase because the allergies be crazy. And then I have our vitamins and the kids' vitamins here.
Okay.
Now I cannot forget my sunscreen, okay? So this is the Black Girl sunscreen, and y'all, this is like hands down one of the best sunscreen for me, at least for black women, okay? Because she legit, okay? She legit. And then here I have my accessories and everything. Clearly I brought too much because I have to like clip it here instead of like with the buttons. So I have my jewelry here.
Mommy.
Have my makeup brushes here, my mascara. Got my Q-tips here. Got my makeup wipes because I just like to wipe my makeup off before. So here I have my makeup here. So I have my spray, my cologne, my makeup, and all of that good stuff in here. So like I said, I have to lock it like this because your girl just be packing too much. All right, so then I have my edge control. I have my edge brush. I also have my razor because I feel like I'm going to get hairy. I just shaved, but I feel like I'm gonna get hairy again because that's what hairy people do. So let me go ahead and put her in there. All right, and then I have 2 belts here just in case. And then in here I have some, I have wipes, diapers, because like I said, I'm still potty trained Tristan, so it's a work in progress, but we get in there. And I have my work because I still have to get work done. So I have my Apple Watch charger here. Then I have my phone charger and all that here. Then I have some Vicks and some methylatum. Then I have my Bible right here because I cannot travel out my Bible. All right, so I have here Discerning the Voice of God. This is what I'm going to be reading. And then of course my morning devotion. And then I have my other devotion in there as well in here. So I won't take it out because I have everything secured and ready to go. And then I have food here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have food here for Selena. I have some potty pads just because she's still potty training. And then I have Maddie's camera because I want her to take pictures and have good memories because I want to surprise her when we get up there. And I have Selena's food in there as well. This thing is still a little heavy, but maybe I'm just weak. I don't know. Okay.
Where'd it go?
All right. So that is good to go. Ugh. And then for my carry-on, and this is the last thing. So I'm taking my Never Full here from Big Body. That's what I like to call her. So I just love taking this because, you know, I can put my computer, my laptop, all of that in the, you know, in the airports like that. But instead of me taking a diaper bag and my purse, it's just too much. Since it's just gonna be me, you know, handling the kids, I decided just to be light. So I'm gonna show you guys all of that. So I have my vlogging camera here. So I'm bringing the mic so you guys can be able to hear me better and everything. And I have a stabilizer. So I have a stabilizer for my vlog so that way you know, it's not wobbly or anything. So then I have my wallet here, and then I have lotion right here because I get ashy. You know, auto hand washing. Your hands get really ashy. Then I have my Carmex, keep my lips moisturized. I have masks for us, and I have 2 for each of us because you can never have too many masks. Then this is my organizer. I didn't have time to order one from Amazon. I know they have the never full organizers and everything on Amazon, but I didn't have time to order it, so I found one at Target. So I have stuff for Tristan here, have diapers, changing pad, wipes and all of that, sanitizer wipes, hand wipes, sanitizer, all of that is right there. And then I have my computer cover here, and then my chargers, the kids' chargers, and then where I keep my memory cards at and stuff, because like I said, girls still got me working. And then, yeah, so that is pretty much what I'm carrying on the plane. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much it. So I think I have everything. I feel like I don't, but I feel like I do. Don't you hate that? Oh, gosh. But that is how I packed, and I think I did a pretty good job. Okay. So I'm excited and I am ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So give it a big thumbs up, share with everybody that you know, and if you can guess where we're going, by the time you guys see this video, you probably know. So make sure you follow me on Instagram to know where, and just subscribe because I'm going to be posting vlogs like out the love. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoy. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace.